Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajaxx here with a new video. So today I'm going to talk about a few laptops that are good for you to stream for Twitch and for video editing. I'm going to go over the minimum specs that you need for Twitch, and I'm going to tell you the minimum laptop that you can get and the maximum laptops that you can get. But what I also would like to say is, if you do have the option, I would recommend that you build or buy a PC, because you really don't need portability when you are streaming. 9 out of 10 times you're going to be in your home and you don't need to go somewhere else to stream. Alright guys, let's get into this video. Now, the minimum requirements: i5 4th gen CPU, 8GB of RAM, Mac OS or Windows 7 OS or better. But most laptops nowadays are Windows 10, so you don't even have to worry about that. The first laptop that we have is an MSI GTX 1050 Ti with 16GB of RAM. It has an i7 quad-core CPU, 128GB solid-state drive, and an Ethernet port. I cannot stress the importance of having an Ethernet port, especially if you're going to be streaming from your laptop, because Wi-Fi, the connection is going to be a little bit choppy, so you're not going to always have a seamless stream. So you want to make sure the laptop that you get does have an Ethernet port. Now, to the next laptop. So for this machine, we have a Dell G7. It has 16GB of RAM. If you open it up inside, it has a GTX 1060 graphics card, and it's expandable to 32GB of RAM. It comes with 16 and it's expandable to 32. You can buy the 8GB model if you want as well. The reason why I recommend you go and double the RAM of the minimum requirement is because you won't have too many skipping issues and you won't be stressed out because you don't have enough RAM to handle everything that you're doing. Those are just a couple machines that you can purchase. I just want to let you guys know. So just some specs to look for when you're looking for video editing and streaming products. Just make sure you have at least an i7 quad-core processor, because that your CPU is going to be your main machine that you need. Secondly, you're going to need to have at least 16GB of RAM. You can have 8GB depending on what you plan on doing, but if you plan on streaming, I would recommend to have 16GB of RAM. I wouldn't recommend an AMD processor. I definitely will recommend an Intel, especially for laptops. But for your PC, you can choose to go AMD or Intel. It's totally up to you. So just so you know, for my next few videos, I'm definitely going to do gaming setups. If you would like to see your gaming setup in my video, please just send me a direct message in my email of pictures of your gaming setup, or a quick 10 to 15 second video of your gaming setup. I would love to share that with mine. It has been a year since I've started uploading on YouTube consistently, and I would like to show off my updated gaming area, and I like to show off what other people have. It doesn't have to be something fancy that you spent thousands of dollars on. Even if you did, I would love to see that as well. Thank you guys for watching. This is Ajaxx here. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. Again, I am giving away some buttons. All you have to do is comment. I would like to see at least 20 comments on this video, and 10 likes, and then I will give it away to a random subscriber. Yeah, so Ajaxx here. Please tune in for the next video. Ajaxx out.